Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath. Hello, how are you?
Good. You?
I'm good. તમે આજી
Hungry.
you are hungry?
Chicken Manchurian.
And I want prawns.
Prawns? Okay, let's go to prawn today and Hakka noodles.
Okay, Ram, what are you putting there?
Salt
Okay.
and egg. Finish. Black pepper, golla
Yes,
marcha
more,
gunda.
more.
Finish.
So now we are putting garlic,
Ginger
ginger
paste.
paste. We put also some soy sauce and chili
Chili
powder.
powder. Enough. Okay.
Okay. Working. So I don't know. I don't know why.
ପିଆଜ ପଡ଼ିଛି ଗାଜର ପଡ଼ିଛି କାଶ୍ମୀରୀ ଲଙ୍କା ପଡ଼ିଛି
So we have added green chili sauce, dark soya sauce, but if you have light, you can use it. And we mixed vegetables with prepared noodles before. And now you are mixing
Now we put-
everything together.
గరం మసాలా
And we will put garam masala. And this is how you do Hakka noodles. Yeah, we didn't have light soya sauce, so it will be a little bit darker.
ఓకే
Master chef.
మరి
So now we have marinated chicken, which we are frying in the oil, right?
আজি আবার চিলি চিকেন
It's not chili chicken.
ইয়েস চিলি
So we have prepared the chicken, and now we are putting vegetables for the sauce.
ইউ ফার্স্ট অয়েল
Yes, it was.
ও ফার্স্ট
So you put garlic. Then we are putting onion. Yeah.
Now
Next we are putting pepper bell.
I think we need more oil.
আই ডোন্ট নো ইউ
Maybe a little bit.
Then carrot. Now we are putting sugar. How much? 1 spoon?
Yes.
1 spoon. And then spring onion. When everything is a little bit
চাইনিজ
Chinese, then we put water.
After.
Then you can put green chili paste if you want it a little bit
Tomato paste.
spicy. And if you want for taste, tomato paste also.
It's enough. Yeah.
Why not? If you want also, you can add your favorite spices. We are adding garam masala and
black
some pepper. So now we are boiling it a little bit, and Marek is preparing water together
With corn flour.
corn flour. Mixing. We are adding water with the corn flour, and we mix to make it more thick. Then we are putting
Yes, chicken.
chicken inside the sauce. And mix. So now we are mixing the sauce with the chicken. It's looking really good, smells really good, like hotel restaurant. And Rama went for his secret ingredient. The secret ingredient is sesame.
White sesame.
Look how beautiful it is. Looks very Chinese.
It's my friend ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗସାଥି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଆଜିର ମେନୁଟା କ'ଣ ଅଛି ୟାର ନୁଡଲ୍ସ and chili chicken, chicken manchurian also.